All right, probably the last video I do for right now until I get the new one in. So sweet, featuring this Platinums 17. The little button right there turns on all the lights inside the bed. Turns on those lights too on the back end, the cab, and then turns on the puddle lights over there. Can't see because it's too light out. But yeah, here's this Super 40 Full Master. I mean, it looks like it was dropped. Or not dropped, but like it was sitting on asphalt or something like that. But I'll show you guys what I found when I was trying to install it. These, I mean, Super 40, look at the pictures on Amazon or whatever online, and none of these are cut. These are all just straight. Like, there's nothing trimmed out on them at all. And so that's obviously again, another factor of how I realized it was used. And that was before I looked inside to see all the soot and crap from another exhaust. So obviously, like, if these were cut, it would have been done probably by a machine or a professional. And yeah, these are just Mickey Mouse cut. Look at that. It's ridiculous. I'll show the inside of this. Yeah, you can see all that soot and the scratches from where it was previously installed. Same thing over here. See a little cut in there. Try to fit in. 2 little cuts right here. Cuts on the bottom, and then more soot. So yeah, but I mean, just to double check and do my due diligence, I found the numbers right here, the 409S, which means 40, and then I took this serial number right here, which is 804-304-02, and I did a Google search of it. Lo and behold, it's a Super 40. Now, I actually did watch a video of it before I even installed it on the truck, or tried to install it, I should say, to see how it sounds on another vehicle, and it sounds pretty throaty, pretty deep and throaty, but it wasn't the one I ordered, and it doesn't fit. It's not compatible. So, yeah, fun stuff. I'm going to throw it back in the box, do a return on Amazon, and if they give me grief, I was like, well, you guys messed up. But before I go, I'll show you guys this toolbox real quick. And I am actually going to put you right up here for just a second. Sorry if the light's really bright. Man, I really need to get a holder for this phone. It's not a good place to put these phones, is there? Especially if you have a big old case on it like mine. Alright. Try to wedge it in between the cracks right here. That's great. What I'll do is I'll pick up the case or the toolbox, look at the sockets and drive I used to put back. Oh yeah, I actually left the screwdriver underneath the truck, so bear with me. Where is that? Where are you back? There it is. In front of the back wheel. Okay, so here it is. DeWalt, brand new. Although since being on my truck this last weekend and tonight, it's got some soot and other dirt that's fallen down on it, but this is what it looks like. Pretty nice little set. Put that right there. It's got all your sizes on the side. And comes with most of the things you need for roadside service, like self-service, little repairs. Got the spark plug socket right there. Then your Allen wrenches. And I like this a lot too, because you throw it right here like that. Just nice, fits nice and snug in there. And then you just close her up. And then I just have this under the seat of my truck. on the passenger side here. God always locks itself when you do the remote start. All right. And I like to put it in here, just like that, under the seat, just like that. Yep, that's what she looks like. Pretty sweet truck. All right, until next time, gonna fight it out with Amazon. See you then.